You know how it is. Balancing a career and a young family. You are stretched. With 2 incomes, dear, we earn a lot, but we also spend a lot. Juggling a house, 2 cars, childcare, and... What?
I'm coming! Just hold your horses, all right?
Sorry, where was I? Right, okay, so I wanted to invest online, but I was so busy and I just didn't know where to start. And that's where Qtrade comes in. Qtrade Direct Investing makes it so easy to write your own future. It's like when my friend Geeta told me about Qtrade, I knew I had to give it a shot. The application was online and boom, I was ready to start investing. You know me. I love getting something for nothing. So I opened an RSP account and an education savings account. The tax refund I get in April will feel like free money, okay? And the education savings account qualifies for a 20% grant. Ka-ching! Listen, the truth is, if I see it, I spend it. So I chose automatic contributions. Every month, a set amount of money comes right out of my bank account and gets invested. Plus, I added a Qtrade payee so I can invest any extra cash with just 1 click. No time, no problem. Instead of investing 1 stock at a time, I invested in baskets of stocks like ETFs. And with a little help from Qtrade's portfolio creator, I owned stocks all over the world in less time than it takes to walk the dog. It was a fast and easy way to get into the market. I knew stock trading could be risky, as well as rewarding, so I was cool with some ups and downs. I learned as I went along. You know, Qtrade's got these guides and how-to videos to gradually build my own knowledge at my own pace. Buying and selling is so easy, and the dashboard lets me see all of my investments at once. I love having real-time data at my fingertips 24 hours a day. Because let's be honest, if I do have a free minute to check on my investments, it's probably at 1 a.m, okay?
Relax! I said I'm coming!
Listen, juggling a house, family, and career, so what? Don't wait. It's a great time to write your own future with Qtrade. And if I can do it, believe me, so can you. Start now.
Meet with a member of our wealth and investment team today.